Hey everybody, Sean and Allison here from Spoken Garden.
Hey guys, how is everybody doing?
Hey guys, today we're talking to you about deadheading cosmos.
Yeah, we have some beautiful cosmos around our yard, as you might as well, and they need to be tidied up.
Yep, they don't need to be deadheaded per se to keep them blooming. You can get a quicker rebloom if you do deadhead them or you shear them. We're gonna show you how we deadhead ours and some other options for you. So guys, here's all of our cosmos in the front yard, almost all of it. We got it in other places too, but this is the main cosmos area. And you can see it's in full bloom. It's growing great guns. It's getting huge. And you can see also some dead blooms, some withering blooms that we need to cut out because we like things to look tidy. We want them to look fresh, and we don't want those old dead blooms in here to take away from the beauty that cosmos provide in our garden. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna show you how we're gonna prune ours back. Now you can do this in a couple different ways. You can prune them out by hand individually, which we like to do because we like that natural form. We wanna keep the natural form of this plant. So we just keep that natural beauty. Or you can use head shears if you want to, and you can give like a mass of cosmos like this a big haircut and cut it down about a third, maybe half, and it will rebloom. It's not like it's not going to rebloom, but you won't have flowers for about a week or so, and then they'll just come back great guns. So you can do it either way. We're going to do it individually because, again, we want to keep that natural form. So what we're going to do is we're going to use hand shears to go through and individually prune these out. We love Corona tools. Check out the links down below for this pair right here, these bypass. And if you want head shears themselves, manual head shears, Corona makes a great pair for those too. You can check that link out down below. When you're going to individually prune out these dead flowers, these withered flowers, you want to find each flower stem, go down on the stem and find that next piece where it attaches, and then keep following it down until you reach the next flower bud and that stem on that flower bud. So right here we've got this flower, and we're going to prune then down from here. We're going to prune this out just above where that attachment of that flower is right there, and you can see we've got there's our withered flowers. They're all gone. We can actually keep these and see if we can collect seeds from them a little bit later as they dry out. So we might do that. We'll keep these and set these aside. So let's do one more just to make sure we're being thorough here. Let's find another one. So, oh yeah, look at this guy right here. So we've got some flowers here. Now this is a really good one right here because you can see if I pull this down, well, these are all kind of tangled here, aren't they? Love cosmos. And so if you can see this right here, we've got this withered bloom here. It comes down. There's two new blooms attached here, I think. Or wait a minute. No, let's untangle this. They're just all growing together here. So again, okay, so here we go. So here is our withered bloom. It comes down. It's attached to all these other blooms that are still going. So what we're going to do is we're going to follow this withered bloom. We're going to follow the stem down to where it's attached down here, and where that next stem comes up with these flowers right here, and we're going to make our cut just above this withered flower stem, and where it connects now to the still going flowers, the still blooming flowers. And there you go. We just cut it off. That's it. That's all there is to it. You just go in and individually cut these away, remove these. Again, if you want to just do it real quick and easy, use the head shears, give it a haircut to the height you want it at and the shape you want it at, and then it'll rebloom in about a week or so. So with that, let's get in here.
Okay, you guys, Sean did all the work, so now I get to talk about the plants that we see here because we didn't introduce these at the beginning. So if you're wondering what cosmos we planted this year, we have a lot of different cosmos actually around our yard. The white ones you see here are one of our favorites. These are called Cupcake White. We got these at Floret Flowers. We'll put a link down below so you can check those out. We also have probably our favorite is this Candy Stripe. If you've never grown this Candy Stripe Cosmo before, oh, we got a bee in the middle, look at that.
Don't mind him.
The bees love Cosmos, by the way.
He's just doing his thing.
Now, Candy Stripe, you'll never see the same exact design on all the flowers that bloom. They're all a little bit different, but they all have this kind of tinge of pink and pink center, or different designs within those flowers. It's so cool because you can plant a whole row of them and they'll all look different. So that's kind of a fun feature. Around our yard, we're also growing Rubenza Cosmo. We're growing one called Xanthos, which is a beautiful little yellow Cosmo. You can see on the screen there. So other than that, we want to keep our Cosmos blooming all summer long. And like Sean explained, you don't actually have to deadhead in order to get them to rebloom. They're going to rebloom anyway. You can see there were all these brand new blooms coming in anyway. But we like to tidy them up, and doesn't it look a lot better now?
So guys, that's how you deadhead cosmos. Now, if you have any questions or comments about how to do this and we didn't cover everything that you might want to know, go ahead and leave those comments down below, those questions down below. We'll get right back to you.
And for any other plant or flower care, we have our brand new book that just came out this year. It's called First Time Gardener Growing Plants and Flowers, and we have all kinds of plant care, including deadheading, but also pruning, mulching.
Yeah, we also have lots of information for aftercare throughout the rest of the year, from spring, summer, into fall and winter. And so just to help you get started, answer some of those basic questions and keep you moving.
So thank you for watching and for being here. We'll put that link down below for our book, and we will see you on the next video.
Yep, see you next time.
Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.